All right, folks. I just want to drive your attention into something that a lot of us may not be aware of. I know this is something that, if you've been following me since the beginning of this channel, you've heard many times. But for the new folks that join, or people who are just literally joining the play and starting investing their money into AMC, this is specifically for you guys. And maybe it's going to be as a refresher for the long players here. Have you ever wondered that on a roller coaster, when it goes up and down, among the swings and everything, the only people that get hurt are the people who are jumping in the midst of the swings, all right? Maybe when the roller coaster was going down, they started being afraid and they panicked. And whenever they panicked, they wanted to jump out of the roller coaster before it stopped. And that's the only people who are getting hurt, because the reality is, among the swings, ups and down, if you hold on to your seatbelt, if you hold on and you follow the security measures, because the roller coaster is supposed to be going up and down. It's not like a train, it's not a car. It's supposed to go up and down. This is where the fun is in, all right? So it was never meant to be something that will go from $5 to $1,000 or to $1 million a share. No, it wasn't meant to be that, because the stock market doesn't work that way. It works in cycle. We were in an uptrend cycle a couple of months ago. We were supposed to break out, but sometimes you don't break out. You go back down, you test some lows, that's what we call the supports. And then at some point, the new cycle begins, all right? So just to use this as a reminder that, we already know this is a ticking bomb, meaning with everything happening in the market, with everything happening in the world of money and finance, this can just pop any single day. Now, if you jump out before because you get emotional and do stupid stuff, believe me, you are probably going to regret it more than anything else. Because if you get out now for whatever reason, which I'm not refraining you from getting out, whatever the reason behind it may be, I'm just saying it will hurt you more in terms of regret if you get out now and literally tomorrow morning it starts spiking to 20 or 25. You will be like, oh man, what did I do? All right. And then you started chasing, and then, I've been there, done that. It doesn't work and it hurts a lot. So reminder, people, it's a cycle, it's a roller coaster, and the only people who get hurt in the midst of a roller coaster swings are the only people who are getting out, not strapping to their seatbelt. So even if it goes down a little bit further, which I believe might happen, not that it will necessarily do, but might happen, there are also a very, very, very good chance that this might be, the moment that some of the shorts start seeing, maybe this is an opportunity for me to get out without having to pay too much cost, given what is coming in terms of the Federal Reserve, in terms of, what the NASDAQ price action has been lately, etc., etc. So your choice.